in order to use the Emotions Analyzer web application, what you will need to do is you click the icon for the Emotions Analyzer web app, and you will copy the URL. You will type the URL of the actual Excel file you need to verify. Something you need to know is that this application is especially designed to work with the output of the Facebook data converter that we have in our system too. So in this case, I will choose the actual spreadsheet, which has the worksheet, which has the columns I want to analyze. The column I want to analyze is post text, the record unique ID, also the record with the date, the column for sentiment. This is basically just a placeholder column which is going to have the sentiment results for the column being analyzed. And in the place sentiment, I will choose place sentiment placeholder, and then I'll click convert file. Once this finishes, I should in a couple of seconds receive an email with the analysis results. So let's see. You will see that in here I actually have the results, and if I open this file, you should see that now I have a similar output file such as the one from the Facebook data converter, but now it has more information. The sentiment column has some information, some numbers in there, which is actually the sentiment. The place sentiment also has the place sentiment there, and you will see that I have new worksheets: personality, openness, consciousness, extroversion, agreeableness, emotional range, behavior, needs. Some have some charts which have basically personality identification based on the text which was analyzed. Also the detected languages, so it tells you each of these sentences in which language they were. You will also see the key phrases being used. You will see, well, worksheet with just the sentiment and the text. You will see like the key phrase usage. So basically, it tells you how many times certain keywords were found in the text being analyzed, and it will give you also a chart for the sentiment progress over time. So this basically allows you to let you know the behavior of the sentiment over time based on the text results. And you could do something like add a trend line and see if the sentiment was actually going out or if it was going down, which is the trend for that. So this is an example of how to use our emotions analyzer web application. I hope this is useful for you. Let us know anything more that you would like to have in our application. Have a great day.